He is an American former basketball player who was quarterback in the NFL for 16 seasons, primarily with the San Francisco. He also played for the Kansas City Chiefs. His spouse Jennifer. His spouse is an American model, actress, entrepreneur, and a philanthropist. He has been married 3 times. In 1974, he wed his hometown sweetheart, Kim, during his second semester at Notre Dame. His daughter named Elizabeth. Elizabeth is an actress known for the Hammocky. He has 2 daughters and 2 sons. His second daughter named Alexander. In 1999, editor at the Sporting News ranked him 3rd on their list of football's 100 greatest players. His son named Nate. In 2006, Sports Illustrated rated him the number 1 clutch quarterback of all time. His second son named Nick. His parents. He has an estimated net worth of $100 million. He was born to Joseph and Teresa in New Eager, Pennsylvania. He grew up in the city of Monongahela, a coal mining town 25 miles south of the Pittsburgh. His family were Italian American, the name Montana being an Americanized form of surname Montani, which comes from the northern Italy. He expressed an early interest in sports, and his father first taught him game of football. He started to play youth football when he was just 8 years old, aided part by his father. His father listed his son as a 9-year-old so that Montana could meet the league's minimum age requirement. During his formative years, he took an interest in baseball and basketball, in addition to football. ESPN named him the 25th greatest athlete of 20th century. In fact, basketball was his favorite sport as a child. His father started a local basketball team that his son played on. The team practiced and played at the local armory and played their games in various regional tournaments. More than 2 decades after his retirement, He has had about half dozen surgery on his knee. He received his primary education at Waverley Elementary and his secondary education at Finlaville Junior High, now known as the Finlaville Middle School, and the Ringgold High School. While at Ringgold, he played football, baseball, and basketball. He had the highest passer rating in the NFL. He showed potential at basketball player and helped Ringgold win 1973 VPIL Class AA Boys Basketball Championship while being named as All-State Player. He was so good that during his senior year, North Carolina State offered Montana a basketball scholarship. Although Montana appeared in all 16 regular season games during the 1979 season, he only threw 23 passes. After winning a national championship at Notre Dame, he started his NFL career in 1979 with San Francisco, where he played for the next 14 seasons. He also holds Super Bowl career record for most passes without an interception and the all-time highest passes rating 127.8. In 1989 and again in 1990, the Associated Press named him the NFL Most Valuable Player, and Sports Illustrated magazine named him the 1990 Sportsman of the Year. He had the highest passes rating in the National Football Conference 5 times. In 1994, he earned a spot on the NFL 75th anniversary all-time team. He is also a member of NFL 1980s All-Decade Team.